Good afternoon, my dear students. How are you? Are you fine? Okay, I hope you are very fine. Okay, so welcome to online class. Our subject is English grammar and today's topic is pronoun. Okay, so pronoun. In Nepali, it is called sarvanaam. Yeah? Okay. So, pro plus noun. What is the meaning of pro? Pro means instead of, and noun means noun. So, pronoun means instead of noun. And I think you know the definition of noun. Noun is the name of person, place or thing. Okay. So, let me tell you some examples. Bhagat is a student. Bhagat reads in class 7. Bhagat likes English subject. So look, my dear students, Bhagat is a student. This is noun. Bhagat reads in class 7. Here also noun. Bhagat likes English subject. So look here, Bhagat is noun and noun is repeated. Here also noun, here also noun. Noun is repeated. So this looks like a paragraph. Yeah, this. And while we look at this sentence, and at that time it looks like odd. Yeah. So it don't look like attractive. So that we have to use in the place of noun, we have to use pronoun. So in the place of Bhagat, we have to use what? He. Yeah, we have to use he. Here also, in the place of noun Bhagat, we have to use he. Now these sentences look very attractive. They look short and sweet. Yeah, so that we have to use pronoun. Okay. My dear students, we can tell that this is noun, this is pronoun. How pronoun? We have used in the place of noun. So that this is pronoun. Okay. Now let me tell you one thing. It means in English there are 10 types of pronoun. Among them, today we are going to discuss about personal pronoun. Okay. Personal pronoun. So my dear student, personal pronoun. It is called in Nepali Vyaktivachak Sarvanaam. Okay. And what is the meaning of personal pronoun? Okay. It represents living things and non-living things both. It means personal pronoun represents both living things and non-living things. Your personal pronoun ले भाइ बहिनीहरु यो लिभिङ थिङ्स र नन लिभिङ थिङ्स दुवै थिङ्सलाई इन्डिकेट चाहिँ गर्छ. ओके, नाउ we are going to describe about the types of pronoun. Yes, there are 3 types of personal pronoun. Yeah, okay. So number 1, first person. First person. Okay. First person means a speaker. speaker. The person who speaks something, he or she is called first person. Example, I and we. Here speaker means वक्ता, बोल्ने व्यक्ति. Yes. If there is only one speaker at that time, for that single speaker we use I. If there are two or more than two speakers, at that time we use we. अब बोल्ने व्यक्ति एउटा मात्रै छ भने हामी म युज गर्छौं. दुई वा दुई भन्दा बढी छ भने हामी we युज गर्छौं. Yes? Okay. Let me tell you example. Suppose now I am telling something. So I am a speaker. Yeah? So I am first person. If here two speakers, then we use we. Yeah? And we are a speaker. Now number 2, second person. Listener. Listener. Second person means listener. Suppose you are. Yes? This is you. Example is you. You students. तिमीहरु सुन्ने व्यक्तिलाई हामी के भन्छौं त सेकेन्ड पर्सन भन्छौं. जस्तो कि बोल्ने व्यक्ति म वक्ता भए म फर्स्ट पर्सन. अब भाइ बहिनीहरु सुन्ने को त भाइ बहिनीहरु हो कि हैन. त्यही भएर भाइ बहिनीहरु को त सेकेन्ड पर्सन you. Now third person. Third person topic. Here topic in the sense that suppose I am speaking, you are listening, but we are talking about pronoun. So pronoun is third person. Yeah, because our topic is pronoun. Suppose I am telling you a story about Ramayana. So Ramayana is third person. हो हामी जसको बारेमा कुराकानी गर्छौं नि त्यो टपिक हुन सक्छ, कुनै व्यक्ति हुन सक्छ, कुनै वस्तु हुन सक्छ, जे भए पनि हामी त्यसलाई के भन्छौं त थर्ड पर्सन भन्छौं. ओके. Now example. He, she, it, they. These are the examples of third persons. Now I am going to tell you about pronoun chart in detail, my dear student, and I will also describe about these examples in detail. Okay. Now okay. Dear students, look here. This is pronoun chart. Look. First person singular I. In Nepali we call ma. Okay. Objective case I, me. Possessive adjective mine. Possessive pronoun mine. Reflexive pronoun myself. Okay. Then after first person plural we. Objective pronoun us. Possessive adjective our. Possessive pronoun ours. Reflexive pronoun ourselves. Look example. I am going to market. This I is first person singular. Yeah. Then we is first person plural. First person plural. So we are playing football. Okay. Then after you. Second person singular you. Second person plural you. You is same in singular and in plural. Same. No change. So you were there. Look example. Then after we have third person. Third person here he. Subjective case. Objective case him. Possessive adjective his. Possessive pronoun his. Reflexive pronoun himself. So he reads a book. Okay. So where we use he can be used for male sex. Male. Yeah? Okay. Then after she. Look. she is third person singular. She can be used for female. Yeah, okay, female sex. She can be used. And objective pronoun her, possessive adjective her, possessive pronoun her, reflexive pronoun herself. Okay. Then after it. It is third person singular and it can be used for non-living things, birds, small animals, insects, etc. If there is singular, then for this we have to use it. Look, it can walk very fast. So it, objective pronoun it, possessive adjective it, and we have no possessive pronoun of it, not used. Yeah, okay. And reflexive pronoun itself. Then after third person plural, they can do it. We can use they for plural form of male sex, plural form of female sex, or non-living things, birds, animals, insects. For these we can use they. It means यदि भाइ बहिनीहरु एउटा मेल सेक्स हुन्छ भने त्यसको लागि हामी ही युज गर्छौं, ही। फिमेल सेक्स एउटा मात्रै हुन्छ भने त्यसको लागि हामी सी युज गर्छौं। अब नन लिभिङ थिंग्स, यो बर्ड्स, एनिमलहरु एउटा मात्रै छ भने हामी इट युज गर्छौं। तर धेरै छ, यदि धेरै संख्यामा छ भने हामी दे युज गर्छौं। जस्तो कि धेरै संख्यामा मेल सेक्स भए पनि हामी ही युज दे युज गर्छौं प्लुरलमा। धेरै संख्यामा फिमेल सेक्स भए पनि हामी दे युज गर्छौं। धेरै संख्यामा यो नन लिभिङ थिंग्स, यो बर्ड्स, एनिमल्स भएमा हामी दे नै युज गर्छौं। ओके, लुक, दिस इज द एक्जाम्पल अफ दे। सो दिस इज all about pronoun chart, and this is about personal pronoun. And I have already told you you can use personal pronoun instead of noun. Okay, so this much for pronoun. Next day we will have next chapter. Okay, thank you.